Mail-in voting is no more for now. Act 77 is ruled unconstitutional by the Pennsylvania Commonwealth Court. Act 77, the Pennsylvania law, which in 2019 opened the door for anyone to vote by mail, was struck down Friday morning by the Pennsylvania Commonwealth Court. Fox 43's Matt Maisel explains why and what this means for voting in the future.
Pennsylvania's Commonwealth Court says for now, no excuse mail-in voting is no more. The majority opinion by President Judge Mary Hannah Leavitt said changes to voting must be done through a constitutional amendment, one which must be presented to the people and adopted into law before mail-in voting can take place. The ruling declares Act 77 of 2019 unconstitutional.
We're currently reviewing the opinion to understand its full scope, and we'll certainly wait for this judicial process to play out before making any final legislative decisions.
That's because the Pennsylvania Department of State says it'll appeal to the state Supreme Court. The Democratic majority bench could then issue what's called a stay, which would keep Act 77 in place until its ruling.
We're going to continue to monitor. I don't think anybody expects this process to be over entirely today.
Friday's decision ruled in favor of Bradford County Republican Commissioner Doug McClinko, though it was Republicans who almost unanimously approved of Act 77 in 2019. 132 of the 134 Republicans in the legislature at the time voted for it. It was a compromise with Governor Wolf and Democrats to eliminate straight-ticket voting. However, COVID-19 changed everything. More than 2.6 million Pennsylvanians used vote by mail in the 2020 election, and 2 out of 3 were registered Democrats. When Joe Biden won the election, calls to repeal Act 77 started.
At the time it passed, there were no issues with regard to the constitutionality of the measure. It wasn't until many years later that we now find ourselves in a situation where folks are raising claims along those lines.
Governor Wolf said in a statement an appeal would come immediately. He also accused Republicans of wanting to, quote, strip away mail-in voting in the service of Donald Trump's big lie. The former president released his own statement celebrating the Commonwealth Court's decision. Matt Maisel, Fox 43 News.